Sana all. Sarap buhay naman nito. May pakayang-kayang pa ang bagel na to. O, ikaw naman, ano? You're always on guard, ya. Pancake. Your bus is coming or not? Or you stay here? What? Your big eyes is... There's something in your eyes, ah. Enjoy. Just wait for your bus, okay? If there is a bus today, okay? Ito naman, pahila-hilata, sarap ng buhay. Pero ayoko maging bagel. Kain, tulog lang ang gusto. Ayaw pang lumabas, tumae, uwi agad, tulog. Yun ang ginagawa niya. Oy! Bubulihin kita ngayon. O, Fatimen? Fatimen? No reaction?